Guys, it's time. I'm Kayley, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist, and I am back for our Christmas morning hairstyles tradition. I missed you guys, and I am so excited for this. You guys know how this goes. We want to look cute and fully embrace the Christmassy vibes on Christmas morning, but also you don't always have a ton of time to get ready on Christmas morning. So instead of just rolling out of bed and going, I have some very easy, very quick hairstyles that can get you looking cute and Christmassy on Christmas morning. But they're also really good into the new year and through the winter. So I think we're gonna set ourselves up for success today. So all that being said, let's get into it. Let's get started with a claw clip hairstyle that you could wear half up or all the way up. Optional first step, if you want to leave any hair down, go ahead and section that off. Then either pull your hair back into a half ponytail or a full ponytail. Now you're just gonna slide your hair tie down your hair like an inch or two and split the hair over it in half. Then pull your ponytail up and through the gap in your hair. Lift up your ponytail and grab it wherever you want the top of your updo to sit. Bring the ends down, give it a little twist, and secure it with a claw clip. I just love a claw clip hairstyle. They are quick, they are cute, they are easy on your hair. I don't know what else you could possibly ask for. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna show you how to take your headband from this to this. The first thing you're gonna do is separate out the hair that you want in front of your headband. Then you're gonna clip everything else up and out of the way, or you can even just put it in a ponytail. Once that's done, you're gonna put your headband just behind the hair that we've left out, and I like to put it at a tiny bit of an angle forward. I just think that looks really nice once everything is down. Speaking of which, now you can take your hair out of the clip or the ponytail, bring it forward, and everything is done. And there you go. It's my favorite headband trick. It just makes everything look a little bit more polished and ready to go. Next, we've got the easiest take on a classic. Step one is exceedingly easy. You just put your hair into a low/middle ponytail. Now braid the hair that's in your ponytail and secure at the end with an elastic. Here's the thing. I'm gonna be so honest with you right now. I really want to put a ribbon on this. But there are a lot of ribbons in this video, and this was one that I was planning to be ribbon free. But okay, I'll show you what it could look like. You could just do a little flippity-floppity moment. Cute. If you want a more subtle moment, just a little tiny bow. I mean, come on. Obviously, we need to do another hairstyle with braids. Let's go. I'm going to do this a little bit back from my hairline, but you could do it with just like this section of hair and braid back. Or you can do what I'm doing and section out some hair in the front first. And then I'm gonna make a rectangular section on an angle right here. And then you just wanna get all of the rest of this hair out of the way. Clip everything else up. And now we're gonna create a lace braid on that rectangle section. So you're going to start braiding, and then you're gonna add in hair as you go, but only on the side closest to your face. The other side gets braided normally without adding in any more hair. If that sounds stressful, I will give you a modification on the other side. And then just braid the rest of the hair normally. And secure with an elastic. And then you let the clip go, and that side is done. So we're just gonna grab our rectangle section again, pull everything else out of the way, and clip it in place. And now you can repeat the lace braid on this side. If you want that modification, honestly, you can just split this into 3 and braid it all normally. It's gonna look a little bit different, but you still get that cutie little side braid, and you don't have to work on your braiding skills between now and Christmas. Bada bing, bada boom, take the clip out, and there you go. Here's your adjusted side, and here's your lace braid side. Pick whichever is your favorite. I think this is perfect as is, but I am going to add a couple little ribbons to this. Because if you're not gonna do it for Christmas, when are you gonna do it? You know, it's not often I find a braided hairstyle that I haven't done already, but this is one, and I love it. Okay, low buns have taken over this year, and they are perfect for Christmas morning. So let me talk you through my extra tips and tricks. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be separating off my little bangy face framing layers situation. But then I'm going to also let go of the hair that is in front of my ears on both sides. And then everything else is going into a low medium ponytail. And secure it with an elastic. Now take the rest of the hair that you want up and you're going to brush it back the way that you want to, and then you're going to secure it with an elastic around the one that we already have. Going in 2 steps like this just gives you a little bit more control of like the tightness at the nape of your neck and getting your hair to sit exactly the way that you want it to around your face. And if your hair is much thicker than mine, it definitely helps with just controlling and maneuvering everything into place. And now we're gonna twist it up and into a bun. Now the way I make my bun is to do it kind of in stages. So I'll twist the hair and then I'll start to wrap it and get like halfway around the circle, stop, put my hand on top of the bun and pin it in place there. Then you kind of pick up the hair that's hanging there, twist it a little bit, wrap it around, repeat the pinning process. And as you do that, you're trying to make like a spiral shape. So you don't want to tuck the hair that you're twisting underneath the rest of the bun until you're all the way at the end and you're tucking your ends in. And going in stages like that just makes it a lot prettier. It gives you a little bit more control and it helps it to stay better all day long. Honestly, this hairstyle is a great mix of low effort and classic, and I don't think you can go wrong with it. Those are all of our hairstyles for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I am so excited to be back and doing Christmas morning hairstyles with you guys. I've obviously been away for a while and we will talk about that another time, but I didn't want to miss our Christmas morning hairstyles tradition this year. But I also wanted to tell you guys that I will be back in the new year. I'm working through like a couple more logistical things to be back and posting regularly. But guys, I am coming back. You can keep up with me on Insta, subscribe on YouTube for like post notifications, and I'll keep you guys updated on when all of that is happening, but it is happening and I'm so excited. And I'm so grateful for those of you guys who have been checking in with me in comments and DMs and tweets. I see it all and it really means the world to me. Even though I haven't always been in a place to respond back, like it's meant so much to me. So thank you so much. And I'm so excited it's not that much longer. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. I'm so excited to have been here and done a video with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and whether you're old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the new year. Mwah! Bye! And today, we're gonna go back to our Alright, you know, we'll just get the mistakes out front and center. First thing up, mistakes. Rest of the video, smooth.